Hey guys, this is Jason from Simple Cookery, and today we're making a quick and healthy recipe, baked salmon. Okay, now let's look at our ingredients today. First we got our salmon, it's nice and fresh. And what we're gonna pair off the salmon is with some asparagus and with some brown rice that we're currently cooking right now. And then on top of the salmon, we're gonna put some butter, some garlic. These two make the best combination of flavors. And lastly, we're just gonna top them up with some lemon juice and some parsley. That's it, let's go. So what you want to do first is to grab a tray and put some baking paper on it. That way your salmon's not going to stick. And then you want to lay your salmon on the baking tray. And the veggies of your own choice. In this case we're using asparagus because John was a big fan of asparagus. Alright, let's push that tray aside and get out our chopping board. We're gonna cut some parsley first, so dice them into little pieces. And then get out your garlic, and you want to do the same as well. Parsley and garlic creates the ultimate flavor. Both ingredients goes hand in hand, and I've used this combination many times. And it always works, that's the beauty of it. Garlic and parsley. So sprinkle your garlic and parsley generously over your salmon and your vegetables. So for your lemons, we're going to cut off a small chunk first. We're going to use that in our butter sauce. And slice 2 thin slices. So put these 2 thin slices on top of your salmon to give it a nice acidic flavor. Next, we're going to make our butter sauce. So just put 2 tablespoons of butter onto a heated pan and melt the butter. And then when it's almost melted, get the chunk of lemon that we cut just now and squeeze a bit of lemon juice into it. And then pour your sauce over both your salmon and your vegetable. And there you go guys, that's how easy it is to prepare for your baked salmon. Now all you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 200 degrees. And once it's preheated, put your tray in and set it to 10 minutes. Wow, for those of you watching right now, it's smelling real good right now. And I'm really liking the color of the salmon. Now to make this a meal, I'm gonna pair the salmon and the asparagus with some brown rice. And there you go, a simple baked salmon meal. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Does it look good or does it look good?
It looks
That's
good.
right.
I'm gonna dig in.
Yeah.
Oh, hot.
Dude,
Dude, it just melts in your mouth.
I know,
The
man.
salmon is really good. It's so tender. You come home from work and you want something really quick and easy and also healthy. This is a great little recipe. You know, you've got your veggies, your protein, a bit of carbs from your brown rice. If you pre-cook your brown rice, you can also just leave it in the fridge, chuck the salmon and asparagus in the oven for 10 minutes, and you have dinner ready in like 15 minutes.
Definitely.
It's so quick.
If you like this recipe, please don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. In Simple Cookery, we teach you simple recipes and cooking techniques to get you more confident in your kitchen. And we're out. Hey guys, this is Jason from Simple Cookery, and today we're making baked salmon.
Baked salmon? Say it again.
Salmon?
Yeah.
Hey, it's my accent, dude. Okay,